Hi, and welcome to part 3 of your OnTrack training mobile app, View Item, which is the bottom left tab. So when we click on this item, there's 3 headers at the top: a box, a single location icon, and an employee or person icon. So the very first box on the left, this here is the ability to search the entire company for any assets, consumables, and commodities. So let's say we're going to type in a generator. It will pull up every single piece of equipment that's in your company. And if you notice at the bottom of each asset, it has the location. So warehouse, vehicle, job site, etc. This is nice because if you're in the field or on a project and you need an asset fairly quickly, you can be able to search and see where the closest piece of asset is. When you click on each asset, it will give you details. It may have an image, any type of alerts in the system, the detailed information like serial numbers, descriptions, etc., who's responsible for it, and the location that it currently is. So that's the very far left, which is again a search of your entire company. The center location icon, this is probably the most important icon to you, and that's because this is all the assets, consumables, and commodities that is in your location. You've either accepted it, the company has sent it to you, and this is what you're responsible for. So if you look at the far left of each item, there's an image. There's a thumbtack, there's a square box, and then there's 3 boxes. So the single square is your assets. The thumbtack is going to be your consumables. So if you click on that, it may have an image of what it is, a description. As you can see, it says consumable, and very important at the bottom, it gives you the consumable details of the location. So within the entire company, this particular piece of consumable is located in those locations. The next one is your commodities. Again, there might be an image in there, your location, all your information, and in this particular case, this piece of commodity is on multiple locations and it gives you the quantities in there as well. So this, again, very important because this is basically your inventory. And then the very far right, which is the employee icon, this here is all the assets that you are responsible for. So not necessarily just by location, but some companies set up the employees where no matter what location they go to, you're responsible for X amount of assets, consumables, or commodities. So that's what that icon means. And that is your View Icon tab.